Again, welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers. A lot of people have been reaching out to me that they have an issue with face verification whenever they are trying to swap their tokens from the ST to the SDA on the Sidra app. So the Sidra project is one of the biggest projects we have right now that you might not be aware of, and I'm telling you here that if you are not participating in that particular project, at least do your best to make sure that you buy some tokens and hold. So for those who are participating and they are having issues with the swapping, I'm quickly going to be trying to solve that particular issue of face verification with you in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Some of us have been having issues with always trying to swap our tokens, and anytime you try it, you see a message like this that swap was rejected and then face verification failed. Your last swap transaction was rejected due to incorrect face detection. Only the KYC verified account holders is permitted to use this account. Repeated failures may result in account suspension. Please ensure your face tracking is properly captured and try again. So some people, even though they are the ones that they have been using their face to claim, you have been using your face to claim daily, but when you try to swap your tokens, you end up discovering that which is the same face that you used to do your KYC, and when you try to swap, you discover that it is going to send you this notification right now. Now you might be asking me, why are you having this kind of issue and how can you resolve it? So first of all, I feel that this usually happens when the camera cannot dictate your face clearly, so which means that you need to verify, check your camera to be sure that your camera is clean and it is sharp and then showing sharp images. And then another reason I feel that it is the issue is that probably the lighting condition or your image is blurry. So if you are doing it, make sure that you stand where there is enough light and then your face is showing well and then well lit, no shadows on your face or whatever, and then also make sure that the image is sharp and not blurry. Another reason is that probably you are snapping, your face is not full, it is not full, or maybe you are showing one side of your face more, or maybe one side is dark or it's not being revealed. So make sure that you position your face very well. My last and final reason might be that probably it is an issue from the app. Maybe their app, they are not releasing updates like that. It is not, they don't update the app steady like other projects do. Some projects every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks they release new versions of their app, and like that. Probably that may be the case of Sidra, but whatever be the case, what I will advise you is this: come over to this section right here, click on this copy link. So once you click on it, head over to your Chrome. So on your Chrome, just create a new page and then paste that link on the search bar right there, and then log into it. So once you log in, go and swap it on your Chrome. Try to swap it on your Chrome, not on the Sidra app. If you try and it works for you, let us know in the comment section. So that will be all for now. That's what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. But before I go, if you are new to my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.